A man wakes up one morning, feeling the weight of an ordinary day ahead. As he stretches, he glances into the mirror. What he sees stops him cold. His reflection is not just a mirror image, it's alive in a way that feels wrong. His reflection mimics his every move, but in reverse. If he raises his right hand, the reflection raises its left. Confusion washes over him. He tries to shake it off, thinking it's just a trick of the light or a sleep-induced illusion. Yet, as he brushes his teeth, his reflection begins to twist its mouth into odd shapes, as if trying to speak. The man furrows his brow. He leans closer, focusing on the expression in his reflection's eyes. They shimmer with an intensity that he hasn't felt in years. It's a look of urgency, as if the reflection is trying to convey something vital. He pauses. Something stirs within him. Memories flood back. Decisions he regrets. Paths he didn't take. The reflection seems to sense this shift. It tilts its head, mirroring his introspection. Now, the man feels a strange connection. It's eerie but compelling. He raises a finger to point at the reflection. The reflection does the same, but then it stops and gestures wildly, as if pleading for attention. Each day that passes, their interactions grow more peculiar. The reflection starts to act out snippets of his past, moments of joy, regret, and lost opportunities. It dances, it frowns, it shakes its head. Each gesture pulls at the man's heart. He realizes he's not just seeing his actions, he's facing his choices. The reflection becomes a mirror of his soul, revealing his true self. It's a confrontation he's avoided for too long. The man's resolve deepens. He begins to respond, not with fear, but with curiosity. He experiments, mimicking the reflection's strange movements. Together, they create a silent dialogue. The reflection leads him through a maze of emotions, pushing him to confront the life he's built. Each day, he learns something new about himself. He understands now. This is no mere reflection. It's a guide, a reminder of what he could be. The man stands before the mirror, no longer just an observer, but an active participant in his own story. And as he embraces this strange bond, he knows the time has come to change. The reflection smiles, its eyes sparkling with hope. The mystery of their connection unfolds, revealing a path forward. In this dance of shadows and light, the man finds himself, finally ready to step into the life he was meant to live.
Di kota yang sepi, bayangan membentang lebih panjang saat malam tiba. Pada tengah malam, dunia bergeser. Hewan-hewan mulai berbicara dalam bahasa manusia, suara mereka memecah keheningan. Ini bukan sekadar obrolan, itu adalah sebuah wahyu. Setiap malam, penduduk kota mendapati diri mereka tertarik ke jendela, mendengarkan dengan penuh perhatian. Bisikan-bisikan kucing melingkari kisah-kisah tentang kejadian yang tersembunyi. Anjing-anjing itu menggonggong kebenaran tentang rahasia yang telah lama terkubur. Burung-burung berkicau tentang perjuangan hidup sehari-hari yang tenang, tapi ada perubahan. Saat fajar menjelang, kenangan percakapan tengah malam ini menghilang seperti asap. Warga terbangun dengan perasaan hampa. Mereka merasakan ada sesuatu yang berubah, namun tidak dapat memahami apa itu. Kota itu sendiri sepertinya menahan napas. Jalanan yang terasa familiar kini membawa suasana tidak nyaman. Pepohonan yang tadinya hanya pepohonan, kini menjulang besar, seolah menjaga rahasia yang dibagikan dalam kegelapan. Setiap rumah punya ceritanya masing-masing, tapi cerita itu hanya dibisikkan di tengah malam. Mengapa hewan memilih tengah malam? Mungkin inilah saatnya kebenaran bisa lolos dari celah keheningan. Atau mungkin tabir kegelapanlah yang membuat kita lebih mudah berbicara dengan bebas. Seiring berlalunya waktu, ketegangan pun meningkat. Penduduk kota merasakan adanya perubahan di dunia mereka namun tidak dapat menentukan sumbernya. Mereka mengembara dalam hidup mereka, dihantui oleh bayang-bayang kebenaran yang terlupakan. Setiap matahari terbit membawa lapisan misteri baru, setiap matahari terbenam menjanjikan wahyu yang akan datang. Jadi, siklus itu terus berlanjut. Jam menunjukkan pukul 12, dan hewan-hewan berbicara. Penduduk kota mendengarkannya, namun keesokan paginya, kebenarannya memudar. Misterinya semakin dalam, dan kehidupan terus berjalan, tanpa menyadari tarian gelap yang terjadi di bawah naungan malam.